Alright, so today I am going to show an install on a new ignition switch. Let me just... Alright, so a while ago I had lost my keys, and this is my daily driver, and I needed to get to work. So what I did was I hotwired my car, or my truck, and got it going. So I pulled off the switch on the back, as you can see, and cut the 3 main wires, battery, accessory, starter, or this accessory, this is on, so I can get rolling. But then I couldn't get the switch off, so I ordered a new one, and I got it off of Summit. Now to take these out, you need like a paper clip. Oh, here it is. So this is the old one. I already switched it. Let me line this camera up right here. So basically what you do is you get your key, you stick it in, go to accessory, put this little pin in this hole, just like that, and with 2 hands you push in on this pin that's in there, and it'll allow you to push it just a little bit more back. Now you kind of gotta wiggle it out. Key cylinder. Because if your key's like mine, it's smooth, it doesn't really catch on anything. So you kind of gotta figure out how to get that out. Right. Man, this is where I need a little screwdriver. If you have a key that isn't so worn, it would be easier. But I don't have that luxury. I did this the other day and it was a lot easier. There we go. I had to walk it out. So the key cylinder's out. Now you can't just pull this switch off, because as you can see, it's threaded right here. So this bezel goes on. Now they sell a special tool to take that off. But I mean, this is my everyday truck, just need to get it back going. You see there's 3 like lock or tabs in here. Got the tool, it's like a Y. Gets in and it just twists. $10 on Amazon. But what I did was just hit it like that so it comes off. Just enough to get it off with your hand. And it comes off like that. So then you have this switch, which is a new one, and this is like a bezel lock, because this is truly a nut. So what happens is this locks onto that, and then the key cylinder goes in here. I'm not sure if it's able to show on camera. Let me take it. But this little tab right there, that's what you're pushing on when you put the paper clip in. And what that does is it allows this key, because the pin, the C10 pin, is right there. So it allows that just to move over a little bit more to unlock. So now we're just going to put it back in with the new one. There's I should have said that before. Basically just part numbers on the bottom, but there's tabs on this dash, and it lines up with these. It only goes in, lines up one way, so you'll be good on, can't mess that up. So put this in. Screw our bezel back on. Now I do plan on changing this bezel in the future, so I'm just going to do it pretty much hand tight. Maybe give it a couple whacks with the screwdriver. I don't mind jarring it or messing it up too much, but I don't want to chew it up totally bad. Oh. Alright. So then the key goes in. Cycles all the way around. Good to go. Now I still need to rewire my actual switch. Like I said, I hot wired it, so I'll do a video of that later. But for now, that's it, because my baby's crying. So cut it.